Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile tools on the market, the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Matrix Cordless Drill by Driver Kit. This isn't just any drill. It's hailed as the best matrix drill available, and we're about to find out why. First off, let's talk about versatility. The Matrix Quick Connect system allows you to swap out different tool heads effortlessly, making this drill a true multitasker for a variety of projects around the home. Built by BLACK+DECKER, a trusted name in power tools, this drill boasts a robust construction and ergonomic design, ensuring both durability and comfort during prolonged use. Powered by their Power Connect battery system, it shares compatibility with other 20V max tools, offering convenience and efficiency with consistent power output throughout your DIY tasks. One standout feature is the variable speed trigger, giving you precise control over the drilling or screw driving speed, whether you're working on delicate surfaces or need more power for tougher materials. For those who appreciate ease of use, the 11 adjustable clutch settings prevent overdriving and stripping screws, which is a game changer when it comes to maintaining the integrity of your projects. Now, what sets this apart is its cost-effectiveness and space-saving benefits. Instead of investing in multiple dedicated tools, the Matrix system consolidates them into one, saving you both money and storage space. Many users have praised its lightweight design and impressive battery life, making it a go-to choice for both amateurs and seasoned DIY enthusiasts alike. With a plethora of attachments available, from trim saws to impact drivers, you can customize this drill to tackle virtually any task from simple home repairs to intricate woodworking projects. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Matrix Cordless Drill by Driver Kit lives up to its reputation as the best matrix drill out there. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, its versatility, durability, and user-friendly features make it a worthwhile investment for your toolkit. That wraps up our review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy drilling!